Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are well. And today I'm going to tell you how can you renew your car or any vehicle with your smartphone. So to do, you have to open Play Store and you have to install Abu Dhabi Police app. So I have been already installed. If you have been not installed, please install it. So I'm just going to open it. So after installing, you can create an account using your Emirates ID. So now I will just enter my password and I will just get login. So after you log in, you can see your driving license details and your expired vehicles details. So it is in red color for me because it is already expired. So I have to renew this. So now I will just click on the expired vehicle red color button, and here you can see your car number plate. So if you have more than one car, there will be many cars. So you have to choose the car which you want to renew. So I have been opened registration card renewal page. So there are two restrictions to renewal your card. That is, the insurance data does not exist. So you have to renew your insurance. The second one is you have to do the vehicle inspection in any of the center. So now I am in ADNOC Vehicle Inspection Center, which is in Abu Dhabi Traffic Department at Murur. So there are 5 bays and we are in one of the bay, and we came at afternoon time. So the crowd is very less. Only 3 to 2 cars are there in front of us. So there's no crowd, but in the evening time if you come, it will be a bit crowd. And after you go to the inspector, he will ask you the Mulkiya card and 165 dirhams for inspecting your car. There are 2 steps for inspection and we are in the second step. That is, they will lift our car and just inspect our car with a torch. So after finishing the inspection, they will return the car back to us, and after that in few minutes you will get a SMS and you can just check the result in that. So these all processes are completed in just 5 minutes. After that we have been completed our car insurance through online within 5 to 10 minutes. So after finishing inspection and insurance, the app allows you to renew your card. So after that you have to choose your location. So you can choose your home resident or your office. So I have been chosen Abu Dhabi, then I have been typed my address, and you have to type your apartment number also after that. So after that you have to choose your delivery type. So I have been chosen M-Post. So let's continue. After you finish, you can click on proceed, and you can see here for renewal it is 350 dirhams, and for the delivery fees it is 15 dirhams. So totally 365 dirhams for me. So I will just click on proceed. So after that it will just load for some time, and you can enter your credit card details and your SMS OTP details. After finishing that, there will be a button called make payment, so you can just click on that. So after that our OTP will come, so you can just enter the number. After finishing everything, it will load for some time. So after that, it's showing successfully your card renewal has been completed. So now I'll just show you the eMulkiya. So in the home page, you can see that before it was red and now it is blue because you have been completed all the requirements and you have been renewed your card also. So I'm just opening the eMulkiya, which you can download and share it to anyone. Everything is done, so we have to thank our Abu Dhabi Traffic Department for the wonderful and easy smart service. So bye guys, see you in the next video.